Hello, I hope you are well. Welcome to my new subscribers. Well, listen, we are over 900 subscribers and I'm so happy. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. So, the title I put for this video might surprise you. So, I made this beautiful branch of flowers with resin and pigments. And so I wanted to put it on canvas. So I had an idea in my head, which was to put it on a black background. So as you can see, I created a black background on a round canvas. I put a layer of black acrylic on it. I gave it a little bit of texture with my palette knife, and then I decided that this background was a little bit dull, so I sprayed with the brush some dots of metallic foil glue and I applied some gold and copper colored metallic foil. And I can tell you that it was a little bit complicated to get all those foils off. The background is great, but once I applied my flower branch, you can see that it wasn't great. My flower branch was actually completely, completely extinct. So I decided to make another background, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So I put 2 thin layers of gesso on my canvas, white gesso, to have a smoother and more solid background, if I may say so. I hope it will work well. So I'm going to use paint from Arteza, acrylic paints. There is sky blue, pale mauve and titanium white. So these are my 3 colors. I'm going to try to make sure that the colors blend well together. So I'm going to try to make something coherent. And I'm going to use a sponge to do this. So as you can see on the side, I'm going to use a sponge and a brush. I don't find my words. So I simply ran small dots on different colors on my canvas in a completely random way, and then, I let my sponge and then my small brush to try to make a background that goes better. So I specify that in fact I try with paintings that I have at home. I tried my branch of flowers on different colors, different parts of colors of these paintings, and I found that it was on the blue, the relatively light blue, that it matched, let's say, best. It was the prettiest. It made my branch stand out, whereas on the black, the black with all my gilding, it didn't stand out at all. So I'm going to use my little sponge and I'm going to show you what I'm doing, but I'm going to speed up the video, of course. Well, listen, I'm spraying here some water on my sponge, and I'll show you what it looks like, but in a speeded version, of course. So, see you in a second. So after a little work on this background and a few final touches, I'm pretty much satisfied. I'm now going to let it dry, then I will place my flower branch on it and glue it on. I hope it will work. So, see you very soon. Okay, I let my background dry well. Now I will glue my branch. I will use tacky glue. Normally it sticks well. So I'm going to put it behind my branch, trying not to overflow. Even though this glue dries clear, I don't want it to show. My glue is old. Yes, it's very old. I hope it will work well. Especially since the back of this branch is a bit depressed due to the inevitable shrinkage of the resin. Maybe I should have added an extra layer of resin, but well, it is what it is. So you will see later, I'll have to press a bit from underneath to get everything to adhere properly. Okay, that's it. And this is how it looks. Hey, listen, I'm not unhappy with this result. I'm happy with it. Oh la la, what's happening to me? I'm happy with myself. So I show you some pictures taken in the daylight. The colors change a little bit. It's normal depending on the angle of view and the light. Here it's a little bit pale, but no problem. But obvious, that's for this one. The metallic black, I'm going to do something with it. I can't leave it like that all alone in a corner, at least not to use it. I'm going to think about it seriously. I already have some ideas, and if you have any ideas, don't hesitate to submit them to me in the comments below. Of course, I will be happy to read them. So now, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that it has given you some creative ideas. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already and give me a thumbs up, which will really help my channel. It's free. So take care of yourself. See you soon for something else entirely different, or not. Well, I suppose. See you soon. Bye.